You can use a simple jar to make a delicious carrot raisin slaw. I would like to do them in bigger chunks. It's nice to do a different variation so it doesn't feel boring when you're eating it. Into our jar, this is Stonyfield organic Greek yogurt, a few heaping tablespoons. And then I'm gonna take some raisins. You could do golden raisins, you can use regular raisins, maybe a touch of honey, a little bit of sweetness, some black pepper, just a touch of olive oil. Lemon juice is probably the most important thing to put in here because we need this acid to help tenderize the carrots. And then our carrots go right on top. When it's time to eat, take your salad in a jar and shake it up. I love that creaminess from the yogurt, that crunch from the carrot. There's that sweetness, there's a little bit of heat from the black pepper, and it's really satisfying as a lunch.